Get right into your favorite content safely and conveniently with Subaru Starlink Multimedia and your smartphone or tablet. There are several simple ways to connect. After you've paired your device to your Subaru, you can use Bluetooth technology to wirelessly make calls and play music. Be sure to authorize messaging to allow Starlink to read your text messages out loud to you as you drive.
Ready to go. See you soon.
The USB port is another simple way to connect to Starlink. It's compatible with nearly any smartphone or tablet and allows you to charge your device at the same time. Starlink is also compatible with Apple CarPlay. Just plug in your iPhone to the USB port and authorize the connection on your first use. Then you're good to go. CarPlay allows you to get directions, make calls, send and receive messages, and listen to music while keeping your focus on the road.
Play my road trip mix.
Playing my road trip mix playlist.
Starlink also works with Android Auto. Simply plug into the USB port and authorize the connection on your first use. With access to music, directions, calls, and more, Android Auto helps minimize distractions so you can safely drive hands-free.
Okay, Google. Drive home.
All right, home. Let's go.
With so many ways to connect, you can count on easy and safe access nearly anywhere you go with Subaru Starlink Multimedia.